It was a Friday of mixed weather, folks. We had overall clear conditions as we started the nighttime early on Friday, but those clouds began to march in into the middle overnight hours, and with that cold front, those temperatures rapidly spiked from the middle to low 40s all the way up to the middle 50s. By the time we got to our sunrise, they hung in there until we got to the noon hours when it was dominated by majority of that cloud cover, and the sun began to peek through. Finally, by the time we got into the mid-afternoon, those temperatures nicely rising towards the seasonable temperatures of 64 degrees. However, right now at this hour, as we go towards 7 o'clock at night, 59 degrees and mostly cloudy. Those winds coming out of the north at 7 miles per hour thanks to that cold front coming in early this morning. You notice it on the satellite radar, how the cloud cover began to push away towards the afternoon, dominating early in the morning, but now they're coming in again thanks to some of that upper level moisture hanging around from that frontal system, with the next system coming in the next couple of days. Winds, however, do notice it coming out of the north. That's going to allow those temperatures to take a nice nosedive tonight as they march into the 30s. That futurecast winds and temperatures is going to explain it even further. You notice how those northerly winds pretty strong, coming around 10 miles per hour or so. They will begin to shift though as we go into our Saturday morning, now mostly coming out of the northeast with those temperatures into the low 30s. So some frost is possible, folks. So just remember to have that scraper if you're going to scrape some of that ice off tomorrow morning for your morning jog. And by the time we go into the afternoon, some of those northeasterly winds, a lot lighter though, as those temperatures continue to march into the middle to upper 50s. And by the time we get into the evening hours on Sunday, we begin to see more of an easterly flow as those winds begin to shift ahead of that next frontal system on Monday, with those winds coming out of the south and beginning to blow strong with those temperatures now into the 60s and even close to 70 by the time we get into our late Sunday and early Monday morning with those ponchos handy. Tonight, however, temperatures dipping into 34 degrees. Some areas could hit that freezing mark depending where you are, and if those winds begin to relax, winds out of the north-northeast at 5 miles per hour. Enjoy that starlight out, folks. Tomorrow, 64 degrees, very sunny, seasonable, right on the money when it comes to those average temperatures at this time of the year. However, like I said before, the ponchos will be handy the next couple of days, especially on Sunday. Those cloud covers begin to increase into the afternoon. So if you're going to watch the Super Bowl, watch it inside. In the daytime, however, enjoy some hot dogs and burgers. Still be good for that. On Monday morning, you'll still wake up with some leftover showers. It will clear up. Temperatures will be in the low 60s. Tuesday will be a nice day before a second frontal system comes in on Wednesday, impacting also our Thursday. So just remember, folks, it's going to be a toss-up. Have those shades and ponchos in your car.